Hello, good morning. Welcome to Rosa Talk Show. It's me, your host, Mama Ifiroli Rosa. As you know, my beautiful makeup artist is doing her good job for me. Happy weekend to everyone. It's me, Rolly Rosa Food Domain, Rolly Rosa Foundation, Rolly Rosa Fish Pond. We have all kind of fish in our pond. We deliver food stuff around the world. We do delivery back home. You want to buy food for your parents, call me. I go arrange them for you, go deliver them for your parents. All kind of food. We get egusi, ogbolo, rice, crayfish, shrimps, big one, small one, ribo fish, bushmeat. We fit carry bushmeat, come give you for abroad, anywhere when you dey. Dry goat meat, we'll carry and come give you for where you dey. We dey post around the world, we dey do shipping too. You get your things where you want carry come. Tell me, bring and come, we'll carry and come give you for your doorstep, safe and sound. So if you want to do party for Nigeria, the new person want help you organize them, tell me, I go help you do them. You get things where you want to do for Nigeria back home, you don't know who to send, you not trust people when you dey house, call me, we fit help you do them. Anything when you want to do back home. They do a surprise birthday party. You want to surprise your papa, you want to surprise your mama, you want to surprise your sisters for home. Just call me, we'll help you organize them. Any kind of food stuff when you need for abroad, with any country when you dey, you go post up 2 weeks, it go reach your hand. So call me and I will do it for you. Cheap, safe, organic, and clean. We'll do them for you. This morning, I want to talk about a question I want to ask about paternity. Because we want to be abroad for this side now. A lot of people understand that as DNA. Say this person do DNA, go do your DNA. This person do one, this man do one. We dey watch am for Igbo program. And we know as it they go, babe. Come be like say some people don't know as it they go. So some people don't know. I feel say majority of people they don't know what it mean. So when you still know what it mean, know who fit do am, know who fit ask for paternity tests, know why then go ask for that thing. So my question be say, when they hear around now say DNA, waiting be that DNA when they ask? Who get right to ask for that thing? So that's my little topic what I want to talk about today. So I'll fit the full video go there for I go do it for Facebook, maybe in 30 minutes time. So I'm getting ready to go on live. Before that, let me just quickly leave this one here. So my people, this issue of say, go bring your DNA, go do test, go do this, who be the right person to ask? Because me know, as I don't see reach for abroad, say, one, AK Ogbalegbe police go ask for DNA, to do test, to do some investigation when they do, to do a test for people for waiting they want know, save this person at this one, or God forbid accident happen. Most people then die for that, and they want look who be this, who be that, who be this, which family this one from come. Now that they take their sample, go test, now be DNA. Other hand, sometimes men go still there. When woman go accuse man, say he give am belle, the man go try to deny. Court go give them order, make them go do that test, come, make them say no. If now that man really get that pikin, may for start to take responsibility. Then also some men go still say the period when he take follow him wife, they tell am say him wife they sleep around. So he need that test, make she go do am. Whether that pikin na him own or not be him own. He go say make he go do am. So that one still there. Then families to families still there. Maybe small children now they give each other belle, like 16, 17, they give each other belle. If they are both parents no agree, say now one get that pikin, then two of them fit ask, say with permission, with consent of those involved, make them go do the tests. Make them for know if my pikin give your pikin belle, or if na your pikin give my pikin belle. Now I mean, that's why I know I reach you when they ask for that paternity test. But my question come be say, how outsider, when it not relates to family, person family, they fit ask for that DNA, say person when you not be your family, You not be your friend. Not be the same papa, not be the same mama born una. You go, they ask that one, may go bring DNA of in children, can't give you. That question, a right question. Is it a normal thing for person to do? Is it a normal thing for people to start asking? Say, go bring your DNA, paternity test, go do and may you bring and come for us. Now, right thing for people to ask. So this question, now say make I live here. Because sometimes if things they happen among our Benin community, we go they think say na joke, or a lot of people not they put into consideration, say this is an issue when we need to address. Because other people, when they look us, especially this our community, they look us say we be daft or we be dumb. We don't know what thing they talk. Meanwhile, a lot of educated people there among us, when even they do this thing, when you know say this thing when these people they do not lie. But because of say I don't want talk, may they not come curse me, or everybody keep mute. So today we go talk about that for my Facebook page. Who has the right to ask for paternity tests? Who get right to ask? Why they need them? What did they need them for? So we'll talk about them. Also, I use this opportunity to talk to my women. When they get affair with different men, make una know one for back of una mind. Say one day they go ask una for this test too. Girls, young girls, when they sleep with 3 men, 4 men around the community, may una get her for back of una mind. Say time go come when they go ask una for this test. So know your partner, know who you are friend to, know who you dey date, know man when you dey sleep with. In case if the time reach, may you for use boldness to say, okay, my oga go fit do one, or my boyfriend I go fit do one. So that's how it be, my people. May you not come watch the full video for my Facebook and YouTube channel when we want to deliberate on it. Thank you all. Not forget, it's me, Rolly Rosa, Mama Ife. Make your food order from me. Food stuff, we have it. All kind of food stuff, fresh and organic. Call me at 416-822-2099. +1 416-822-2099. Thank you. Bye.